Shalom everyone. So I'm here to explain about the biography of Inger Ludwig Nommensen. Ludwig Inger Nommensen in 6 February 1834 to 23 May 1918 was a German Lutheran missionary to Sumatra, who also translated the New Testament into the native Batak language. Stephen Neal, a historian of missions, considered Nommensen one of the greatest missionaries of all time. He is commemorated as a missionary on November 7 in the calendar of Saints of the Lutheran Church with John Christian Friedrich Heyer and Bartholomeus Ziegenbalg. Nommensen was born in the Northern Peninsula in 1834, when the area was part of Denmark. In 1846, a horse cart rolled over his legs, crushing them. The initial prognosis was that he would be unlikely to walk again. After praying for recovery, some years later, he was able to walk again. An interest in Christian missionary work led to Nommensen's enrollment at the Rhenish Missionary Society Seminary at Upper Berman in 1857. He was sent as a missionary to Sumatra in 1862. He focused his attention on the Batak people of the interior of Sumatra. His first mission station was in the Silindung Valley. He experienced initial difficulties, but later succeeded in converting several local chiefs and their followers to Christianity. By 1865, he reported that 20,000 Batak people had converted to Christianity. At first, most converts had to leave their village and came to live with Nommensen in his Huta Dam village of which in 1878 he completed the first translation of the New Testament into the Batak language. In the same year, his fellow missionaries and the Christian Batak people were threatened by the Batak priest King Singamangaraja XII, who had gained support from Aceh, which was involved in a war against the Dutch occupants. In the subsequent military expedition against Singamangaraja XII, which became known as the First Toba War, Nommensen played a prominent role in serving the colonial army as an interpreter and cultural consultant. Nommensen himself laid out his involvement in the war in a report that was published in BRMG 12 in 1878 and 3061 to 1 to 1801, in which he explained that his involvement was aimed to save lives and to avoid Dutch brutal punitive action against local village. After the war, Nommensen was seen by Batak people as the one who could protect them against Dutch influence. In 1819, he moved north to the village of Sigumpar near Laguboti. The area had greater Islamic influences, but Nommensen remained successful in building an indigenous Batak church. He had already instituted a church order and hierarchy overseen by a Batak ephorus. By the time of his death, the church numbered 118,000 members with 34 Batak pastors and 788 teachers preachers. Today, most Toba Batak Christians belong to the Huria Christian Batak Protestant or HKBP Church, one of the largest church denomination in Asia. He was awarded an honorary doctorate of theology by the University of Bonn, and in 1911 he was made an officer of the Order of Orange Nassau. The Batak Christian University at Medan and Pematang Siantar was named Nommensen University in 1954. He died in Sugumpar, Toba Samosir, May 23, 1918 at the age of 84 years, and managed to build a church that we can now call the HKBP Church. So this is all I can say. Thank you for attention and shalom.